When it comes to measuring the success of your auto repair shop, the average repair order is one of the most important metrics. Now, you may know that if your automotive repair shop focuses on increasing the ARO, you'll run a more profitable shop. But how can you make that happen? Let's look at 4 ways you can maximize your repair order tickets. Know your customers. It's important to engage with your customers in order to see a real change in your ARO. While you may have customers that already understand the value of preventative maintenance, there are others that require more assistance to truly see its worth. Better transparency and education can make all the difference and cut down on skepticism. Don't be afraid to spend time and energy investing in the quality of your customer relationships. Schedule in advance. Scheduling in advance allows you to control how many customers come in on any given day. Not only do appointments yield predictable revenue and repeat visits, scheduling allows you to spend quality time with each customer and their vehicle. Customer concerns are better documented, recommendations for additional services can be offered, and relationships can be formed. Effective communication. Communication is vital to both efficiency and productivity, both with your team members and also with your customers. To get the most out of every interaction and keep productivity flowing, communication must be effortless and clear. Through digital inspection, it's important to be able to show customers the importance of preventative maintenance firsthand. Oftentimes, customers are distrustful of shops and are not so willing to agree to services. But with photos and videos included in a digital vehicle inspection, all cards are on the table. Customers can see your shop's recommendations with their own eyes and make a more informed decision for their vehicle. Increasing your average repair order isn't impossible. By focusing on these factors, you can influence your ARO to meet your goal. For more information, please check out our blog, Factors That Affect Your Average Repair Order. And remember, Bolt-On is here to help grow your business.